So that's it. That's the unboxing. We're going to rebox it. What's up guys, so we're gonna unbox here because they don't cover physical damage if it was not done in store. So we have here today the iPad Air. It comes in rose gold and this is the 64GB model. It's the 4th generation of the iPad Air and it has the A14 Bionic chip. So it's 2 generations better than the normal iPad. We have here a pull tab to make it easier to open. So we're gonna put that all the way around. Well, that didn't happen. But at least it got us started. Set this aside. And let's go ahead. Being very careful because it's new and the last thing we want to do is drop it in the store. There it is. Set aside. It has a pull tab here so you can get the iPad unit itself. So inside the box comes with this packet for documentation, USB-C because this is already a USB Type-C device, and a fast charger. This is a 20-watt adapter from Apple. It's rated for these big devices. And also if you want to quick charge your iPhone 12 Pro Max, you'll note that the iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with a USB Type-C to Lightning cable. So this is the charger to get if you have that cable. So finally I'll be able to use the cable that comes with my Pro Max. So let's get to opening this thing up. So I believe that there is charge from the factory. So yeah, it fingerprints very easily. We'll turn it on so you can join us in the first ever time that this device was turned on. Love, no physical damage. It turns on. Hello. So that's it. That's the unboxing. We're going to rebox it. Thank you so much to Power Mac Center Rockwell for letting me film here. They've been really nice and letting me do that. Not all Mac stores would allow such a thing to happen. But yeah. The box has a cutout for the camera, so just make sure you're mindful of that when you are putting it back in the box if you decide to do so. Documentation. And that's it. That was a quick 4-minute unboxing. If you didn't learn anything from that, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, enjoy your gadgets. Bye bye.